There, we got one. Gotta get our fish removal tool. Don't feel very big. What do we got? It's not a bad shell cracker. Not a giant, but it's eatable size. Hey, Mr. Mellow. Let's see if you can see him, huh? That's copper top. Shell cracker. Not a giant one, but still a shell cracker. Alright. Alright, that was a straight jump. Not much of a diver. He went in tail first, but man, that was like no splash at all. Like he practiced that jump all his fish life. There we go. Alright, Donnie boy, what do you think? We're gonna get one on this cast? Find out. It's going down. Oh, we forgot to give him the fish call. Now you can buy this on our channel for $150. Operators are standing by. It's patented. Alright, let's try this. That's the fish spot. One of them. Man, it's windy. Man, fish don't care if it's windy, but you still got to have an accurate presentation. Got to use fish collar and a mini Dockmaster rod from Ugly Stick. And you got to have a dummy. Right? That's right. He doesn't like to be called a dummy. Says he's not a dummy. That water is dark and dingy. Well, I feel like I got stripped. No, it's on there. Everybody's got cold gear on, or at least got a jacket. Sweet spot over there. Got to be sneaky to get them. They're smart. They go to school. Oh, we got one. Pulling some drag. Oh, yeah. That's a nice shell cracker. Up you come. Oh, look at it bend that rod. Oh, hing, hing, hing. Oh, na 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 na. Oh, that's a nice shell cracker. Can't say nothing bad about you. No, sir. Hey. Oh, he's got the spins. Can't stop it. All right, there you are. What do you think? It's a nice shell cracker, huh? Well, they get a lot bigger, but that's a good one. Boy, they're all diving in feet first this morning. What's this feet first stuff, fishies? Mm. Weird, isn't it? Feet first. There's one. Well, that's two, I'm sorry. That's a bigger one. It's the only one we can count, right? Alright, back to the sweet spot. Almost overcast that. Stopped it in mid-flight. Alright, you fishies. Waiting for the line to go tight. That's our signal to go whap. Lots of workers out here working on the boats. Whap! Oh, whoa, this one might be catfish. Yeah, I think we got us a catfish. He's staying down, staying down. Look at that. Whoa. We ain't got him up yet. See him. Come on, you. Woo. Hey. Just in time. Mr. Catfish, huh? Let's see if we can get him up, or he's gonna pop the line or flip the hook. There he is, Mr. Bullhead. That was the Geico lizard guy. Did you see him out there? No. All right. That was fun. Well, he is fat. He's kind of short, but god dang, I bet he weighs four 4 pounds or so. Come on, well, that hook's set deep. I mean, it's in there. You gotta give it that. Come on. Oh, we did a double. A double, people. Not a single. He did a double. 2.5. With the perfect pike dive. Perfect. Yeah, it was. That was fun. The little wimpy rod. Zip zaps up. Get catfish slime off the line. A lot of that's probably boat slime too. We rubbed it up against the bottom of my dirty boat. It's been a while. We'll get our bottom clean when the guy comes back in town. If you're watching, Guy, you know who your name is. That's right, it's Morgan, our diver. Come out and clean this bottom soon. Soon. All right, dip it, and then cast. Hey, what's going on? Yeah, there we go. It's on top of the water. Cinco de Mayo. Isn't it today Cinco de Mayo? Huh. Now we know what to do. Let's toss some tempters out there, huh? Oh, it's floating on top of the water. What are you gonna do? This is my mini fish collar noisemaker. They're only $50 on my site. You can get them right now. Operators are standing by. Come on. Where are you, fishies? I think that last one kind of warned everybody. Now they're up popping top of the water. Boom, boom. Oh, here comes that wind. It's a howling. Come on, Cinco. Come on, sink. Top one keeps floating, bottom one's going down. That's not how this works. There, it's finally starting to sink. It's a nice, seductive, slow sink. Sink rate. Nearly zero, but it's going down. Waiting for that line to get tight. They're active. Come on, fishies. Waiting for it to tighten up. Never know what you get out here. It's kind of like that box of chocolates. A Forrest Gump. Yeah, I got a nice slow sink on it. It's going down. Come on, fishy. We double dog dare you. We know you're out there fishing around, cutting school. You're cutting school. It's chilly out here this morning. Come on, fishies. Come on, we dare you to eat that. Oh, it's gotta be tempting. I know there's a dozen of them just looking at it down there. What, is it safe to eat? Huh. I don't know. Why don't you take a bite of it and see? Come on. Try over there. Come on, sink. The water's a little bit clear. It's got about 1.5 feet visibility this morning. That might be what's making it difficult to get a good bite going. They see it. They see it. See that line. Even though it's all fluorocarbon. The leader, fluorocarbon. Monofilament 10-pound test on the main. Little tiny hooks. Little yummy baits. Oh, come on. Go. Run with it. It's got to be at least another bait on there. Come on. Come back and get the other one. Yeah, definitely got that bait. Alright. We're going to go super stealth. Little tiny pieces. rolled up tight, made ready to sink. Soft shelled fajita shells, tortilla shells. These are little ones, little bites. Squeeze them so you know they're going to sink. That way they got no time to look at it. Choose their targets. They gotta get it before somebody else does. Damn it, what happened there? Alright, try that again. There's hardly any weight at all in there. Alright, you, we dare you. Come on, it's sinking. You gotta get it or, you know, a word. I can't say it. Get it or shit it. Come on. Snooze, you lose. All that good stuff. Come on. Get little nibbles. You know, 'cause tick, tick, tick. It's a watch. A watch goes tick, tick, tick. Yeah. My wind is howling. Use the fish collar. Let's see if that works. Oh, it's really picked up. The wind. Not the fishing. Whoa, whap! Whoa, whap! Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, look at him bend that rod. Look at him bend that rod. That fish collar got him. Did you see that? That's a $80 fish collar on my site. Yeah, is that a fish? Yeah, it's not a bad shell cracker. Shell cracker. Oh, they're all going in tail first this morning. Just like a jump dive.